Compose Eprivo private emails with privacy controls. Hi, this is Maria. I will show you a demonstration of composing private emails with Eprivo. Eprivo service not only ensures the confidentiality of your emails, but also allows you to set privacy controls for each email sent. These settings provide access control in the cloud and in the recipient devices. Your emails are protected and you can even revoke access. Let us now compose a private email. We enter the recipient. Now let us add the special privacy features to this email. We first select the feature One-Time View as we want the recipient to see this email only once. We also add expiration. We also add Privatize from address so that nowhere outside Eprivo will the from address be visible. OK, now we click Done. Note that Eprivo also allows you to include an SMS message. This is to notify the recipient that a private email is forthcoming. OK, we are done with sending, but what if we want to recall an email instead? This is the Private Sent folder. Note the emails have special icons showing what privacy features were utilized. Let us select the email to recall. We can simply open the email and then click on the Recall button. Or we can swipe right and recall directly. The email is now recalled and is no longer available in the cloud or in the recipient devices. We can see the email we just recalled is at the top. This concludes this tutorial video. Stay tuned for other Eprivo videos.